how to add products to Shopify store. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can add products to your Shopify store. So open up shopify.com, log in or sign up, and once you guys are logged in, I'll catch you guys in 1 second. As soon as you guys have logged in, this is the dashboard that you guys are gonna see. If you guys have not added any products previously, well then you guys will have the option right in front of you. But if you guys have added products previously, well then you guys won't be able to see this option. So to see this option, click on products at the left side. After that, simply click on find products to sell or add your products if you want to add your product yourself. Now as soon as you click on that, that's gonna take you guys over here. So now from over here, you guys can add in the title, you guys can add in a paragraph, you guys can also add in media pictures as well of your product, also the pricing as well, and of course the cost per item as well. And then after that, you guys can also put in the inventory and also how many units you have and everything such as the barcode and all of that stuff. Once you have all of this filled, after that you guys can simply click on save and your product is going to be added to your Shopify store. So that is how easy it is for you guys to actually add products to your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.